Mr. Shahidul Islam, you are a senior journalist attached with Aajkal Bengali Daily. It is one of the leading dailies here in West Bengal, in Kolkata. I am Mumtaz Alam Flahi, news editor to Circles.net. Briefly, what is your assessment regarding the Muslim thinking vis-a-vis the left front government? Is the Muslim going away as a community from the left front government in this ongoing assembly election?
At this present, most of Muslim people, near about 60% Muslim people supports Trinamool Congress and Congress Jot. I think Trinamool will be formed the next government.
So it is said that in the last 3 years the Muslim vote has shifted clearly from the left front government, but it is also said in the last 6 months the left has retained some lost ground. So do you think there is going to be a tough fight between the two?
No, at all. I think left front government does not achieve the support of Muslim community because the failure of Sachar committees, Sachar committees, the report in all aspects, education, service, mainly education service, mainly women's education, mainly the residence problem. So I think they will support Trinamool and
Okay. In your view, what is the major and immediate reason that turned the community, the Muslim community, away from the left? Of course, in the last 3 decades, they have not done justice to the community, not done anything for the empowerment or the economic and educational empowerment of the community. But in the last 3 years or some years, has there been any immediate and major reason that turned away Muslims from the left?
Education problem. I think education problem.
Okay.
Most of education, most of Muslim women peoples education problem and poverty, education, and there are injustice, social injustice, mainly social injustice.
So it is said that if the Muslim community is not going to vote for the left, it is just as an anti-incumbency factor, means they don't want for the left, and if they are choosing the Trinamool and Congress alliance, it is because there is no alternative. Do you think that?
No.
So
no alternative.
Okay. Do you think that they are preferring Trinamool and Congress?
Yes.
Okay.
I think they prefer Trinamool Congress and Congress.
Okay.
There are no alternative. Like as BJP or our left party, CCI. CCI is the alliance, is one of the alliance party of Trinamool Congress. And their BJP is not factored in this in our state. Factor is CPIM or left front.
Okay. These Congress and left Trinamool Congress are fighting this election in alliance. But in the beginning, I mean, at least 1 month ago, there was some confusion if they are going alone or jointly, and there was also some confusion about seat arrangements. How do you think see at this development?
At that time, there are I think कांग्रेस पार्टी ये बोलना चाहता है कि कांग्रेस को जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मोस्ट पोर एक्चुअली देन तृणमूल कांग्रेस. In the last 3 months ago in पंचायत इलेक्शन, पुलिसवा इलेक्शन, सब इलेक्शन में तृणमूल मेनली कांग्रेस ने तृणमूल जोड़ बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट किया, बहुत अच्छा किया. कांग्रेस का कोई फुटिंग ही नहीं है. इसीलिए तो इतना जोर मिलता है तृणमूल का, जो उसको हम सीट ही नहीं रहेगा, उसको 65 में उसको बढ़ दिया उसको. और ये तृणमूल गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म, सोचिए जब तृणमूल गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म करेगा, तृणमूल गवर्नमेंट ये सोचता है, आई थिंक एट दैट टाइम ये तृणमूल 170-180 उसको मिल जाएगा. इफ they achieve 170 or 180, तो कांग्रेस को वो नहीं सकता है.
They will form government alone.
I think.
What is your seat projection? Out of 294, how many seats Trinamool is going to take, and how many the Congress?
180 to 200. Trinamool Congress will achieve. And Congress like 20 to 25, I think.
Okay. What is the basis of your projection?
देखिए, आपको मालूम है क्या, जरूर मालूम होगा, जी आज से 10 साल कत हो जाए, 10-20 साल, दो इलेक्शन के 3 इलेक्शन बाद त्रिपुरा में एक विजय रांखल को साथ कांग्रेस अलायंस किया, गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म किया. मालूम है? शायद मालूम होगा. विजय रांखल माओवादी ग्रुप नहीं, वो टेररिस्ट ग्रुप. तो अगर ये पश्चिम बंगाल में क्या है, मेदिनीपुर, झारखंड, जंगल महल में 40 seats, there are 40 seats. I think माओवादी आंदोलन, माओवादी जो मूवमेंट, ये माओवादी सब लोग सपोर्ट करेगा तृणमूल को, कांग्रेस के. अगर वहां से मिल जाएगा 30 to 38 सीट सीपीएम तृणमूल का. ये हो गया जंगल महल. उत्तर बंगाल में कामतापुरी, गोरखालैंड, गोरखा मुक्ति मोर्चा और सारे छोटा जो आंचलिक दल है, उसका साथ अलायंस नहीं हुआ, बट वो उसको ये प्रचार किया जो तुम लोग तृणमूल को वोट दीजिए. तो उससे उत्तर प्रदेश में 65 सीट है. 65 सीट में लगभग तृणमूल और कांग्रेस का मिल जाएगा 30 to 40 सीट. 30 to 40 सीट. ये कैलकुलेशन, हम लोग का कैलकुलेशन ये है. आप लोग 24 परगना और उत्तर 2 24 परगना है. उत्तर 24 परगना, दक्षिण 24 परगना है. ये तृणमूल का एकदम मेजर घाटिया है. इसमें कितना सीट है? इसमें है तो 40, लगभग 40. तो इसको सीपीएम का, उसको अंदाज में सीपीएम का मिलेगा लगभग 10 से 15. बाकी सब मिल जाएगा. मालदा, मध्य बंगाल में, मिडिल बंगाल में मालदा एंड मुर्शिदाबाद, इसमें कांग्रेस का फील्ड है. कांग्रेस का तो वहां से मिल जाएगा वही. तो इसलिए बोला हम जे 20 to 25 कांग्रेस का मिलेगा. तो कैलकुलेशन करके जोड़ लीजिए, देखिए इसमें यही आता है. ये